Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can change your name in Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in Facebook and then go to the right top corner to the menu, and you want to scroll down below, and you're going to see settings and privacy. Right here you're going to want to click settings, and here you're going to see personal information, and then you're going to see name here. And then you're going to see like first name, middle name, last name. And yeah, you can also add a nickname here. First name, middle name, last name, and you just edit it. So thank you very much. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.